Every driver starts their day differently. But every journey starts here.
I drive for flexibility, for the freedom to chase my own path. Lion City Rentals keeps me moving, so I can choose where the day takes me.
I drive to provide, to give my family more than just time, but stability too. With Lion City Rentals, I know my car is ready for every school run, every shift, every tomorrow.
I drive to rebuild. Life doesn't always go the way we plan, but the road keeps going. At Lion City Rentals, I found the support to start again.
Lion City Rentals. We've been here since the beginning. We've seen roads change. We've seen lives change. But one thing stays the same. Your drive, your story, your journey.